Here's an out-of-left-field story that makes a ton of sense once you actually read the headlines. Google is investing $450 million in smart home security company ADT for a 6.6% stake in that company. As part of the deal, ADT will begin selling and installing Nest smart home products, quoting TechCrunch. Both companies have also committed $150 million each, provided they reach certain milestones, for co-marketing, product development, and investment in technology and employee training. Over time, Nest devices will enhance ADT's security monitoring and become the cornerstone of ADT's smart home offering, said Rishi Chandra, vice president and GM at Nest, in a blog post. The goal is to give customers fewer false alarms, more ways to receive alarm events, and better detection of potential incidents inside and around the home. It will also provide people with more helpful notifications that make everyday life more convenient, like package detection. ADT customers will also have access to Nest Aware, a service that keeps people informed about important events at home, including intelligent alerts and event history recording for up to 30 days, he wrote. ADT's shares more than doubled in the pre-market trading on the announcement, end quote.